Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actions now. Install Python 3.10 or newer, pip, and the Model Maker package. Make sure drivers and CUDA match your GPU. Next, organize your dataset into labeled folders and create a clear train/validation split. This matters for reliable metrics. Once done, run a quick environment test script to load a small sample of images and verify that preprocessing runs without errors. This step gets you into the workflow immediately. You now progress into the meat of model training and why each choice matters. Choose the appropriate model architecture for your task, then configure batch size, learning rate, and number of epochs. Smaller learning rates stabilize fine-tuning, while larger batches speed convergence when memory allows. Apply augmentations sensibly to avoid overfitting. Monitor loss and validation accuracy each epoch. Save checkpoints frequently, and once a plateau appears, reduce the learning rate or adjust augmentation intensity to squeeze more performance from data. You finish by exporting and validating the model, then learning how to recover if things go wrong. Export to an inference-optimized format. Consider quantization for lower memory and faster latency. Deploy to your target device and run tests for throughput, latency, and real-world accuracy. Make sure outputs match expectations. If results are poor, first check data labeling and class balance, then verify input shapes and preprocessing. Finally, adjust the learning rate or retrain with more data. This quick troubleshooting tip saves hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.